Certainly, you know many people who want to transform part or all of their lives. Maybe you are in this situation right now, looking for a new direction or goal. However, often people do not consider the true cost of achieving this change. Change is difficult for anyone because it requires us to step out of our comfort zones, facing fears and insecurities. Even though change brings significant benefits to physical, mental, and emotional health, it will still be challenging and require considerable effort. The truth is, if you really want to alter what you have in life, you must change who you are and what you do daily. Adopt these 12 habits in your life that will sooner or later lead you to success in various areas. Above all, stop avoiding them and procrastinating. If you do not observe these 12 habits of successful people and do not start practicing them all from now on, you risk remaining in poverty and mediocrity throughout life without reaching your true potential. As we mentioned earlier, sometimes change is very difficult because it means moving from comfort to discomfort, facing new challenges. For example, if you are overweight and want to be healthy, you must stop consuming harmful foods and start exercising regularly. This is much easier said than done because it requires discipline and determination. Eating healthy foods is difficult both mentally and physically because it involves changing ingrained habits. Exercise is associated with real physical pain, and often it is much easier to maintain your routine than to change it. However, overcoming this initial resistance is crucial for any transformation. Before adopting the success habits we want to outline in this video, you need to be aware of your current situation and redefine 3 fundamental characteristics that we are sure you have in your personality. Redefine your identity. If you are someone who watches television every night, this can become part of who you are. You do not realize it, but your habits start to become not only something you do, but also a part of your identity. That is why when you try to change yourself, your unconscious self begins to resist, and your mind rebels against the idea of changing something that is already implanted as a daily routine in your life. It is essential to recognize this call and regain control of your identity. You must consciously choose who you want to be, instead of letting your subconscious decide for you. For example, instead of spending hours every night watching television, you should redefine yourself as a person who studies and learns about money and investments. By making this conscious change in your identity, you win half the battle for change. Redefine your friendships. Another thing that can be reconsidered is your friendships. Although sometimes it seems very difficult, the old saying, "birds of a feather flock together," is very accurate. If you are having difficulties achieving the change you are looking for, take a look at your friends. Are they encouraging you to improve, or are they leading you to old habits? If your answer is the latter, it is time to move on and find new friends who can encourage you to the next level. Do not be friends with people who will drag you down. Redefine your routine. Once you have changed your identity and your relationships, it is inevitable that you will create new routines that lead to success. In other words, if you want to be healthier, you must diet and exercise, not just talk about it. This will require you to invest some money to pay for a gym and hire a personal trainer, but the reward of being healthy will motivate you to move forward and invest in your health. If you want to be financially free, you must learn how money works and start investing. This may require you to find a partner to learn to invest with you to keep you accountable, and also a mentor to challenge you on how you spend your time and resources. Once you have redefined these characteristics of your personality as required here, you can practice the 12 habits of successful people that you may be avoiding without being aware of it. Habit 1. Successful people visualize their successes. The way we see things is often the reason why we do not achieve the success we desire. Successful people use positive visualization so that nothing and no one can stop them from following their path to success. Take 10 to 15 minutes every day to see yourself achieving your goals, imagining how you will feel when you reach them, and enjoying the experience. This can be done in the morning or at night before sleeping, or when you are lying in bed. Remember that this exercise should be done in a quiet and silent place. Close your eyes quietly to make it even more effective and visualize yourself achieving that dream you always wanted to achieve. This way, your brain will get used to having more positive thoughts and will not impose mental barriers that prevent you from achieving what you want. Habit 2. Successful people use motivational mantras. A mantra is a powerful phrase that, when used, gives you the strength and motivation you need to not give up and move forward with your plans. Many people who have been successful in life, such as Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, and Will Smith, use daily mantras that encourage them to be successful. And this is one of the secrets of success that you should also create the habit of doing in your daily life. The first step to creating your own mantra is to find something that really inspires you. Look for a phrase that each time you repeat it makes you feel invincible. When you find that special mantra for you, start repeating it every day as many times as needed, in the morning, afternoon, or night. You will see that you will feel more positive and more focused on your goals. You can choose a single phrase or several to say them out loud to yourself. Habit 3. Successful people leave behind what does not add value. Another important habit of successful people is learning to leave behind everything that does not help them move forward or just harms them and does not contribute anything. This can be any type of thing: objects they no longer need, papers, old phones, clothes, etc. Additionally, keep toxic people out of your life and avoid bad habits that only harm you. You should do the same. Create a list of everything you would like to leave behind and get rid of it, such as useless objects, customs that tie you to the past, and people who only hurt you. You will see how your life will change in a short time, and you will feel lighter for not carrying that weight in vain on you wherever you go. Habit 4. Successful individuals think big. This habit is simple. When you think big, you act big, and wonderful, meaningful things happen to you. Don't have modest plans. Dream of the great achievements you will conquer from now on. Big goals inspire bold and innovative actions, transforming not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. Habit 5. Successful individuals possess tremendous willpower. If you truly want to achieve something, you need 3 elements: hard work, continuous effort, and determination not to abandon your goal. Successful people understand this deeply, which is why they never doubt or leave behind the tasks necessary to achieve what they desire. When they want something, they pursue it tenaciously. They focus on their goals and put in all their efforts to achieve them without making excuses, and this resilience is what sets them apart. Habit 6. Successful individuals have patience. If you want to succeed in life, it's essential to understand that you will face failures and frustrations along the way. Sometimes success isn't just achieved by winning. Sometimes you need to lose to achieve success. That's why successful people are patient. They know there are obstacles on the path that can arise and delay the journey a bit. But instead of seeing this as a negative, they adapt and learn from it. They wait until they are ready again and move forward without fear of failure, understanding that every failure is an opportunity to learn. Habit 7. Successful individuals have a winning mindset. Successful people don't allow space for negativity or doubt in their minds. They choose to be optimistic rather than pessimistic. Optimism is the best strategy you can adopt for a promising future. You must believe that you can achieve everything you set out to do, that tomorrow will be a great day, and that you are on the right path to realizing your dreams. This positive mindset attracts opportunities and strengthens the confidence needed to face challenges with courage. Habit 8. Successful individuals listen to others. Many people never stop talking, entering conversations not to socialize, but to feed their ego. On the other hand, successful people listen more than they talk because they know it is an excellent opportunity to learn new things and see different aspects from a viewpoint different from their own. They understand that active listening not only enriches their knowledge, but also builds deeper and more meaningful relationships. Habit 9. Successful individuals take risks. There are two phrases I like to use on this subject: no risk, no reward, and the greatest successes in life come from the most significant risks. Start to realize from now on that if you avoid taking risks in your life, you are also avoiding the opportunities that come with them. The courage to take risks is what leads to the greatest innovations and the most significant advancements, turning ideas into reality. Habit 10. Successful individuals learn from their mistakes. Perhaps one of the most crucial habits of successful people is knowing how to learn from the mistakes they make. This is the main difference between many people who fail and those who succeed. If you make a mistake and don't learn from it, it's more likely that you'll make the same mistake again in the future. Learning from mistakes allows for continuous adjustments and improvements, making each failure a step towards success. Habit 11. Successful individuals don't make excuses. By this point, you should understand that when successful people want to achieve something, they pursue it without making excuses. They completely avoid excuses like, "I don't have the money for that," "I don't have the time," "I'm not capable of achieving it," etc. It's easier to stay in a corner lamenting, doing nothing, and wondering why life treats you this way, but with that, you'll only stay in the same place and never advance in life. Stop making excuses once and for all, and do something to achieve your goals. Decisive action is what differentiates achievers from dreamers. Habit 12. Successful individuals know how to say no. Winners have learned and know how to say no to things that come their way, and when evaluated, do not contribute to their personal growth. Even though it is sometimes uncomfortable to say no, remember that discomfort generates prosperity. Uber is an example of a company that had a significant impact on the taxi industry. Its creator was dissatisfied with his economic situation and the poor traditional taxi service, and now his discomfort has generated billions of dollars. In our personal lives, discomfort is essential in our identity, friendships, and routines. And today, if you want to change, take a look at your life and see how you can change to be a better person every day. Which habits of successful people are you practicing, and which are you avoiding now? And about imagination. Imagine being able to wake up whenever you want, travel anywhere in the world, and eat at any restaurant without worrying about the price of the menu, or even provide the life your family truly deserves. All this becomes possible when you become an entrepreneur. On this channel, we encourage you to undertake and extract your potential for success, which lies within you. We firmly believe that this is the best path for your personal and professional achievements. I know that if you have come this far, it's because you are looking to change your life. Know that by changing your mindset, you can change your reality. So I invite you to continue, never give up, be persistent, and you will achieve your goals. I wish you much success. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. We'll leave it here. God bless, and see you next time.